for a sort of rampage of appreciation that as you hear it or as you listen back to it will hold you, at least for the time of your focus, in a place of allowing all things that you've been wanting to flow easily into your experience. I understand that I'm living in a vibrational universe, and I'm exhilarated about the idea of that. I'm understanding that what I'm thinking and what I'm feeling and what I'm getting are always a vibrational match. I'm understanding that as the creator of my experience, I've identified so many things that I want, and the universe is yielding in every case to every one of those. And I'm exhilarated to know that my work is to practice the art of allowing. I understand that allowing means basking, it means frolicking, it means acknowledging the positive aspects, it means acknowledging well-being, it means praising. And so I'm recognizing that as I'm moving through the days of my experience, that nothing is more important than that I look for that which I'm wanting to see. It is so wonderful that I live in an environment with such variety. It is so delicious to be a part of a planet where there are so many objects of attention that are so easy for me to find a place of well-being. I am loving being a part of this spinning Earth, understanding that it is spinning in perfect proximity to other planets, and I love knowing that the manager is taking care of all of that. I'm appreciating the energy that is flowing through me, the maintenance and countenance of my physical apparatus. I'm thrilled in knowing that that which I'm about physically is operating in perfection. I'm exhilarated to know that the life force will eternally flow and that I can participate in it as fully or as not fully as I choose in any moment. And I love knowing that the way I feel is the indicator of what I'm doing about that. I'm exhilarated as I move through this beautiful time-space reality, and I'm coming more and more in every day to understand that all things are appropriate. I love the buffet or the variety of life that I am about. I love the idea of yesing my way through life experience. I love the idea of knowing that even though there may be things on the buffet that I'm not wanting to put in my mouth, no one has the power to push them into my mouth. In other words, everything is about attraction. Nothing is about assertion. And so I'm loving the idea of yesing my way through life experience. It is exhilarating to be physically focused in this time-space reality. I'm beginning to get the sense of the perfection in the place that I stand. I'm understanding that the timing of my birth and the timing of my exposure to others is perfect in all ways. And I'm understanding that whatever is unfolding now is just exactly right for me. As I stand here now, I will look for things to appreciate, and I am happy to say that there are so many things for me to appreciate here and now. I know that all is well. I know it always has been. I know it always will be. I know that from time to time I may find a pocket that will not allow the energy to flow, but I know that that is only a temporary situation and that ultimately I am living in this grace that has been my promise.